Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two fitness machines that will have you sweating just from the excitement.
On the left, we have the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UREVO Walking Pad.
Get ready, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price.
Drum roll, please.
Both the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UREVO Walking Pad come in at a jaw-dropping $299.
It's a tie. You don't have to break the bank for either of these bad boys. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of these machines, their motors.
The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill boasts a quiet, brushless motor with a max speed of 7.5 miles per hour. It's like a ninja running in your living room.
On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad features a powerful quiet motor with a speed range of 0.6 to 4 mph. It's perfect for those who want a leisurely stroll or a quick power walk. So whether you're a sprinter or a walker, both machines have got you covered.
It's time to get techie.
The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with a digital LED console that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and even your heart rate.
It's like having a personal trainer right in front of you.
Meanwhile, the UREVO Walking Pad features an LED display that shows time, calories, steps, speed, and distance.
Plus, it comes with a handy remote control with a mute button. So whether you want all the bells and whistles or just the essentials, both machines have got your back.
Let's talk about space, folks. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill offers a spacious running area of 15.4 x 40.2 inches. You could have a whole dance party on there. And here's a fun fact, it's not just for humans.
Your furry friends can join in on the workout too. On the other hand, the UREVO Walking Pad is a two-in-one wonder.
You can use it for jogging or slide it under your desk for a sneaky workout. Plus, it's portable and easy to store.
So whether you have a palatial gym or a cozy apartment, both machines have got you covered. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about peace of mind.
The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with a generous 5-year warranty, covering the frame structure for 5 years and parts for 1 year. That's some serious commitment. Meanwhile, the UREVO Walking Pad offers a 1-year warranty and high quality after sales guarantee.
So whether you're a worrywart or a carefree soul, both machines have got your back.
The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UREVO Walking Pad have battled it out in the fitness arena, and both have proven to be worthy contenders.
It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
And there you have it, folks. The Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UREVO Walking Pad have battled it out in the fitness arena, and both have proven to be worthy contenders.
It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.